Hey everyone, today we are looking at the Dragon Touch Vision 3 4K action camera. This device captures stunning 4K video and 20MP photos with a powerful 4x zoom feature. You can dive up to 100 feet deep using the included waterproof case for underwater adventures. The wireless wrist remote and adjustable viewing angles make recording your favorite sports incredibly easy. Enjoy versatile modes like time-lapse, slow motion, and burst photo to capture every exciting moment. 2 rechargeable batteries provide long recording times, along with a massive 18-piece mounting accessory kit. This compact camera is the perfect companion for all your outdoor and high-action travel experiences. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.